Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today I'm going to show you guys, this is primarily for the guys, how to rack up some points with the little woman or that someone special in your life. We're going to cook surf and turf completely on the grill. So your manlyhood, you know, right there on the grill, and your little woman's going to love it. Alright, let's get to grilling. Alright y'all, here's what's on today's menu. We got a couple of really nice T-bone steaks. Throw a little bit of steak seasoning on there. Got some asparagus over here with a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder coated in olive oil. Back here we got our shrimp on our skewers. Sprinkled them with a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. And right there we've got some corn on the cob, a couple pats of butter, a little bit of salt and pepper in there. We're going to throw this all on the grill, and we're going to have us some good meal. So let's do some grilling. All right, y'all. We got the grill fired up here and warming up. I already threw my corn on there while the grill is warming up. Because my opinion, the corn takes the longest. So we're going to get our steaks over here. We're going to throw those on. The last thing we'll throw on will be our shrimp, because they don't take a whole long time to cook. So alright, there we go, got that on there. I'm going to grab my long tongs here. I'm going to move this here corn here over this way. I'm going to turn this burner here down, because we're going to throw our asparagus on this end grill, which I have on low. Alright, got the asparagus on there, got that cooking, so close the lid and let this stuff cook away. Alright y'all, it's been about maybe 10 minutes, so let's give these steaks a look at here. Oh, they're cooking along nicely. That one's sticking a little bit, but it'll be alright. Oh yeah, nice. I'll roll my corn over here. Give our asparagus here a little roll to get it cooking kind of evenly. I love cooked asparagus, grilled asparagus. It's one of my favorite things to cook on the grill. I'm going to turn this heat down just a little bit on these steaks, corn. So, alright. Close the lid and let her do her thing. Alright y'all. Sounds like we got some flare-up action going, so let's check these steaks. Oh yeah. A little bit of flaring, but not a big deal. Ooh, and we're looking delicious, y'all. Oh yeah. Move our corn around a little bit there. I think a little bit of that butter's leaking out of that corn, so. Asparagus is coming along nicely. Oh yeah. Just getting tender. Oh yeah. We're getting her. We're close. They're about medium rare right now, so a little bit more, and we'll throw the shrimp on, cook them. Should be good to go. Alright y'all, these steaks probably reached their doneness to how I want them. Probably a medium rare, or medium well, I'm sorry. My asparagus is nice and tender, starting to get a little bit of a char on the tips, so that's good to go. So we're going to go ahead and throw these shrimp on here, because they take a couple minutes. Go ahead and flip these steaks over. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh yeah. And shrimp are turning opaque. Like I said, once they turn that nice little red color there, they're done. They don't take much. Make sure they're loose from the grill here, so when it's time to flip them, we can flip them. Man, y'all, these smell delicious, delicious, delicious. Alright, let's give these shrimpy here a flip. Ooh. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. Them steaks are just starting to put some juice out, so that's how I know they're medium well. Alright. Shut you guys off, finish cooking these shrimp and everything up, get everything into the kitchen there, and we'll do a little taste test. Alright y'all, got that all off the grill. We're ready to do our taste test here. So I'm going to start out with a piece of that steak. And she is just barely pink in the middle. That's the way I like it. Good and tender. Almost got that with a fork. I'm going to try one of our shrimpies here. Has that Old Bay seasoning on it. Perfect. And of course, you know, we got to do the asparagus. Cooked to perfection. So, alright, I'm going to cut a little bit of this corn off the cob here, because I don't like eating it off the cob. So, nothing better than grilled sweet corn. So, alright, so beverage of the day. There ain't nothing that goes better with steak than a nice frosty root beer. So, washes that all down awesome. So, alright guys, there you have it. You're the master of the grill, so get out there and pick up these ingredients, cook them up for the special one in your life. You know, cook it up for the whole family. It does make a nice special dinner for just you and the little one or little lady. Yeah, this will definitely get you some big old brownie points. So appreciate you all watching. Really hope you do try this. And ladies, you know, I know you're watching these too. So if your man cooks this for you, let me know. Give me a little credos for making them. Not making them, but asking them to treat you nice. So appreciate y'all watching. Please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get all the notifications of everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, at the tractor pulls, and wherever we happen to be wrenching or cooking. So again, Sunday live streams, 7 p.m. Sunday nights. We talk about everything. We talk about the cooking, we talk about the tractors, small engine repair, big engine repair, you know, life in general, whatever's going on, we usually talk about it. So appreciate y'all again, and as always, bon appetit.